African elephants are the largest animal walking the earth. They live together in herds led by their matriarch. Their immense size and dietary demands have a critical impact on the environment. And although still listed as vulnerable, the numbers have been growing. In some areas of South Africa, the burgeoning population of elephants is beginning to place a strain on their habitat and threatens many of the other species in the area. Debate rages whether culling should be reintroduced. Keen to avoid this, elephants, rhinos and people have planned an alternative, but it's extreme.